Right, here we go guys, so we've got this LDV van, one channel, dash camera. Placement probably go where the E-tag is, or could even go to the left. We're running down this A-pillar. So I've been trying to work out better angles with the camera, but it's a little bit tricky. We'll get there, don't worry guys. So the camera's mounted guys, so you'll see here the placement just off-centered behind the mirror from the driving position, out of sight. Now we come across here, the A-pillar's off, and you'll see we run it down with the factory harness, and then we'll go all the way down here, and the fuse box located just underneath this cup holder. Okay, once you route your wires, you find your fuse box. Sorry, this one is a little bit bad there. I'm going to go to an earth to that bolt here. You see the A-pillar back on. And now I'm just looming up my harness and I'll connect it to the fuse box. Back to work.